nice. Okay, it just hit like twice right in the same spot. Again. So if it hits the third time, I mean, that's freaking amazing. And I hope I caught the second one. I was just panning over there. But you can see how quick it's coming down, like boom, boom. Okay, see? 3 times in the same spot. There, on film. In less than 2 minutes. God, it's good. I love these storms. Look at it rolling right there. Like you can see its sheets, how quickly it's going. It's amazing. Look at, it's like blowing quickly right over my head. And my inner voice is telling me get inside right now. So that's 4 in the one spot. 4 times. I'm happy. That's 3 minutes I'm going in.